Alright, what am I in for?
Your target is the president of Luxembourg. He's the president, and you need to kill him.
Do you mean the Prime Minister?
No, the president of Luxembourg.
Fine, why him?
I don't know, I'm just the man on the phone.
And I'm serious, McShooty face.
No, I'm saying I'm the man on the phone. We already know each other.
Right, sorry, thought we were just reintroducing ourselves.
Listen, serious. Open up that briefcase. In it will be a gun for you to assemble. You will use that gun to take out the president, Michael John. We have a contact not too far from this very location that has info on the president. After assembling the gun, you are to meet her and figure out his whereabouts. The advent of high-speed TVG link to Paris has led to the renovation of the city's railway station and a new passenger terminal at the
Man on the phone, I don't know.
Airport.
What am I supposed to do with these?
2008. Luxembourg City has reintroduced trams in December of 2017.
Am I taking a tram? Is that part of the
Luxembourg City?
This is completely unusable. Actually, man on the phone.
Dude, what were you saying? Sorry, I watched this video.
No, there's a fucking bookshelf.
You should watch it. That's those banger videos.
What am I supposed to do with these pieces? This is not a usable firearm. What am I? Oh, there we go.
Alright. Listen, serious. There's a target to your left, but be careful. That weapon has some serious kick to it.
Nothing I can't handle. It seems to have... jammed. There we go. I had no recoil at all. Ow!
Swedish meatballs.
Ball breaker.
Alright, man on the phone. Who am I looking for?
Well, that's the thing. We don't really know what she looks like, but I think she'll be pretty obvious.
Yes. What's her name?
Her name is Shelby. Shelby Pretty Obvious.
Shelby. Shelby Pretty Obvious. Are you fucking joking? It's a little on the nose, isn't it?
Your last name is literally McShooty Face.
Whoa. You watch your fucking mouth. I am very serious about the McShooty Face legacy. How dare you insinuate it is just a silly last name? Your name is fucking Man on the Phone.
Alright. You should be near the target.
Whatever. We're talking about this later. So, do you have the information?
What information?
The information.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The information on the president of Luxembourg. Don't play stupid with me.
Doesn't Luxembourg have a prime minister?
Not important. Do you have it or not?
Who the fuck are you?
I know you have what I need.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm going to go call the police.
I think you're looking. Shut up, now right now. Where are you going?
I'm going to call the police. I don't know who you are.
Why is it always so difficult? What? What do you want?
I have your information on the president of Luxembourg. You're the guy?
Who's asking?
You just harassed a random woman, you know.
No, I didn't.
Here's the information you need. He's a pretty bad guy. You're doing the world a favor.
I'm being paid. I'm gonna do charity work. Thank you very much.
Michael John, otherwise known as the President of Luxembourg. That's not an alias. Whatever. He is wanted for the following: mass murder of his own citizens, ethnic cleansing of all kinds, mass extortion of people who really aren't that bad, honestly, bank fraud, that's not that bad, tax evasion, he's rich, that's kind of the standard, jaywalking, leading to upgrade from medium priority to high priority.
It says he's South Main Street. Man on the phone.
South Street is due north of you, serious.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm. Hi. Get back here! Man on the phone. Where did he go? Track him. Where is he going?
I don't know, man. You think that's how GPS works?
You know, this reminds me of the time I was in Peru on a date. No, I was in Mexico on a cruise with my friend. Wait, no, it was a date. Okay, so I was. Yeah.
Man on the phone. Where is he?
Over there.
Stop! Right there! I've got you. There's nowhere left to run.
Maybe this will change your mind?
Is that a fucking DoorDash gift card?
Yeah.
No.
Damn it.
Oh shit! Are those elephants?
Elephant green screen effect.
What? The fuck was that? Must be funny. But if there are suddenly war elephants, why am I even here?
was in shock of the news. I didn't heed the gravity, so I left the decision to you.